Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I just wanted to post real quick a shorter version of my commercial for the CraftAlong kit for Volume 2020. Here is everything that you will get in your kit. Let me go over all of the items with you. You are going to get 8 card bases, 8 envelopes. You're going to get 4 designs, 2 packs of each. So you'll make 8 cards, but 4 designs. You will get a half pack of the Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper in 6x6. This is a very, very popular Designer Series paper. You're going to get a pack of the Holiday Rhinestones right there. There are 140 basic jewels in that. You're going to get 10 of the Star Designer elements. 240 mini dimensionals, 22 basic pearls, some ribbon, and 15 extra pieces of 8.5 by 11 cardstock that you will be able to cut in half to make more cards. And these 15 colors are the colors that match this Designer Series paper, so you'll be all set. This will include the die cuts and things that you need. These are the cards that we're going to be making, so you can see them very quickly. That one uses a lot of those jewels. And then this is the one I think everybody's excited to learn. I showed a card like this last month and everybody was very excited about it. So I made a new version of it. So you will get all of the pieces and I will show you how to put it together. And you, again, will get 2 to be able to make 2 of each of these designs. You do, because I'm an independent demonstrator, you do need to email me at memoryinkers@att.net. You cannot order this kit through my Stampin' Up! Website. Stampin' Up! Isn't offering this. So you do need to email. The kit is $38, but you can get it half off. So email me if you saw my commercial. I did put the info in there, but Kate was kind. I wasn't supposed to, but she didn't make me redo it. So you need to email me or go watch that commercial. Anyway, this is my quite curvy kit. Again, email me, memoryinkers@att.net. This is everything that you get, and it does include the awesome swirl card. So looking forward to seeing you. My class will be on Saturday at 5. I believe it's the 21st of November. Anyway, I'm excited. Make sure you email me for details. Bye.